As a SKD strategy for Brazil, one of the largest EVs juggernaut, BYD has launched up with a locally assembled car for the first time. It's not only BYD's first locally manufactured vehicle for Brazil, it features a powertrain that can run on petrol, ethanol, and pure electric. Called Song Pro Super-Híbrido Fuel Flex, this vehicle is tailor-made for the Brazilian market, developed by BYD's R&D team in China and Brazil. It's built with BYD's new Camaçari plant in Brazil, on which the company invested 5.5 billion yuan. This Brazil-specific vehicle may be launched in India too. BYD is overhauling its operation strategies as the company has come up with a specific model tailor-made for the Brazilian model. The new PHEV flex fuel vehicle will be made in the plant. It will produce 180,000 vehicles this year. Around 150,000 units of the 2 lakh units BYD aims to sell in Brazil this year will be manufactured in the same plant. As the name suggests, it's based on the Song Pro and is equipped with a unique powertrain that can run on petrol or electric or ethanol. The powertrain is PHEV, has up to 120 kilometers of pure electric range in the higher-spec GS variant. The engine is optimized to run on flex fuel, which Brazil has adopted a few time ago. The powertrain accepts both petrol or ethanol, making it versatile for Brazilian market, but also they have the opportunity to crack other markets like India, where E20 blend has become a new standard with scope to increase ethanol content further. The brand vice president Alexander also mentioned the same, reaffirming that BYD Song Pro IDM Flex is made just for Brazil but could eventually target other markets like India. Currently, BYD India only launches pure electric vehicles to enjoy the lower taxes and duties which help them price their vehicle competitively compared to Tesla.